Hi, I'm Carrie Welch, and I am the Literacy Coordinator here at the Schoenbaum Family Center. When working here at the library, you need to be comfortable around children. You also should have some knowledge of the alphabet and being able to put things in alphabetical order, follow simple directions, and also be interested in crafting. So when you come into the library, the first thing in the morning that you want to do is take a look around the library, and you want to make sure that it's cleaned up. Pick up any books off the tables, straighten the shelves, and any books that have been returned, you want to place them back on the shelf. You also want to go over to the computers and double check that they're turned on along with the printer so that they're ready for people to come in and use in the morning. We also get the room ready for story times on some mornings, depending on the activity that's going on that day. So sometimes you'll have to move tables and reorganize the furniture just a bit. You'll also work on various craft projects for story times, like felt boards, cutting out pictures, that sort of thing. And then you also will interact daily with people who are coming in to use the library for various reasons.